In this video I'm going to complete the painting which I had actually posted previously, the part of it, but that's based on watercolor resist. So I'm going to complete that. You follow along and then I'll let you know exactly what I did for completing this painting. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'll be completing, there are two paintings actually. One I posted now and the other one will come later, but I think they've turned out very well. Beginner painting, I wouldn't say even intermediate. You can actually try it out. It's very easy. Watercolor resist in the sense I've used wax, candle wax, and then you can see the process actually. There are different ways of actually painting. Even I can just paint the negative space and then paint the tree trunks, but this is one of the things that where if you want to reduce a little bit of effort you can actually try it out. But mainly the next one which I'm going to post is actually going to be more interesting because many of us actually struggle painting mountains, snow mountains, any other mountain, even for that matter, because the highlight, shadow, everything we have to manage. But that will be the easiest one that you can actually paint. You can paint for greeting cards, you can paint just for a card or for your journal, anything just actually makes more sense. But you just have to keep in mind that how you are actually going to use and the application of that particular candle wax. There are other videos that I have also posted based on all pastel. So in this case I've used just the tree trunk, applied candle wax, and then started applying colors. Sometimes what happens is when you apply color just on top of wax, it might get deposited here and there. You might not come later, but in this case I try to remove as much as possible. If you are not worried about it, what you can do is you can just straight away just let it go. So because the marks on Aspen tree or otherwise Birch tree, they go along with that, so that should be more than enough. Then once that is done, all parts of this painting is actually very easy. Go step by step, every application wet on wet. Most of that is wet on wet, and certain places that I waited for one section, you can see that once it dried lighter, and then after that I continue with next layer, so that next particular section of that painting. So if you follow along with me, I think you should have a basic good painting, or otherwise if you choose or if you get an idea from this, try to implement this in one of your paintings. And I hope that you get some kind of idea. Until now actually there are at least 5 I've done water resist paintings, and the ideas I've given in the previous videos. I'll put those links at the end of this video. Watch till the end and then you should be able to continue with those ones as well. And apart from that, I'll be posting one more, then after that I'll continue with more of acrylic paintings. So if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like, hit that like button, and then I'll see you next time. Bye.